I wouldn't miss the traffic or the runaway trains. And the Proud Boys and their women just make me feel out of place. Oh, but I miss the birds and the music that they make, and the feel of the earth beneath my feet in early May, and the magnolia leaves as they fall out of place. Even they know when to fly away.